I'm gonna rip kind of through a few of these image projects where you have to bring an image in and do something with it. So this one is a bike rack. So good job on the handicap signs. For those of you that did it, they look great. That's exactly what we want to be able to do is bring an image in, scale it, trace it, do something with it. These bike racks are out here, kind of at the north end. You'll see them. If you need to go take some measurements, there's measurement device here, because you're gonna need some kind of baseline, right? You're gonna grab the image off of here or take your own image. So I have this one. It's pretty good. But you can take your own image with your phone and bring that into AutoCAD. Scale it just like we did before. I want it in a modular type design. So what I'm looking for is, these are the cuts that I was thinking. This would be the end piece. This end piece is the same. So the two end pieces are the same. And then there's a middle piece that goes here, right, to here. So then it would be modular. You could make it in, this is a 2-bike setup. You could make a 4-bike setup or a 6-bike setup, right? So, and then there's these beauty cones or cover cones or whatever you want to call them. So there's 3 pieces. There's the start and end piece. Those are the same. There's the middle piece, and then there's the cover cones. Okay, so you're gonna have to figure out the outside diameter. You'll have to estimate the wall thickness because we can't get that number. But one piece should like plug into the other piece, right? So it's gonna need like, this should be the receiving side, then this could be the mail side, however you want to do it, either way. But the whole thing would be kind of a modular put together type of setup. In the end, maybe it gets welded, so you don't have to do bolts or pins or anything. They just need to slide together. The drawings that you're gonna make would be a drawing for this piece, a drawing for the middle piece, and a drawing for the cone. So 3 pieces. Okay. That's my image. You can grab it off a blackboard or you can take your own picture. However you want to do it, but you're going to need some baseline numbers. Like you're going to need to know maybe how tall it is or how far it is from pipe to pipe. At least something, right? One number that then you can do the tracing from. I'd probably measure the diameter. I think it's 4-inch, but it's pretty good size. And go for it. I think this says, yeah, so we're looking at a front view and a side view for each piece. Title blocks, B-size paper, fully dimensioned, 0.1 dimension text. So the dimension text is smaller. And you'll have to adjust that. Questions? Yeah. I do it in inches. Yeah. Just because that's the measuring device we have is inches. You could take the calipers out if you want to get an outside measurement on the pipe. You could get, maybe you can get close. I don't know if that'll reach the entire. The tape measure is fine. Questions? Any other questions?
The cones, they need to go over.
Yeah, so the cones get inserted over the pipe and just come down. They just lay there.
Okay, they don't like.
Yeah, they just cover so the whole thing, like underneath here, there's a plate and it probably gets bolted down. I'm not gonna make you do that. Cool. But that's what that beauty cone is covering.
Okay.
I think they're loose. You might even be able to slide it up and look at it. So. Yeah, there's one out there and there's one at the far end. That's it. That's the project. Next Wednesday, we'll probably go into blocks and start working with blocks.